So lost. I wish there was a better way to spend my time.
I know. It's just I can't find any enriching entertainment these days. What's the deal?
Hi, my name is Brian Price.
And I'm Sofia. Today we're here to talk to you about Roundtable.
If you're suffering from a lack of enriching entertainment, Roundtable is for you.
Here at RT, we bring you top-notch research concerning hot topics here in China. And we do it in a fun and insightful way.
Curious? What are you waiting for? Tune in now using Apple Podcasts or Easy FM.
Insightful analysis, bold comments, friendly debates. Find all that on Roundtable, an in-depth discussion on hot topics in China. Only on Easy FM.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Roundtable, coming to you live from Beijing. I am your host, He Yo, joined by the queen of facts and figures, and sometimes even legislation, Miss Iya. Hello there. Hello there. And why is the studio so hot right now? Well, somebody's back. Okay, that's not an Indian, is it?
No. But you know what? It is symbolic of Native Americans and Europeans coming together because it is that holiday.